हेलो स्टूडेंट्स। आज के लेक्चर में आपका स्वागत है। आज हम चैप्टर 10 फोर्स एंड टाइप्स ऑफ फोर्स इस चैप्टर का एक्सरसाइज स्टडी करेंगे। क्वेश्चन 1, चूज द टर्म टू फिल इन द ब्लैंक्स। ए डैश डैश हैज टू बी अप्लाइड टू चेंज द डैश डैश of a dash dash object. Options: moving, direction, force. Answer: force has to be applied to change the direction of a moving object. B. When an elephant drags a wooden log over the land, the forces that are applied on the log are dash dash, dash dash and dash dash. Options: muscular force, mechanical force, gravitational force, frictional force. Answer: when an elephant drags a wooden log over the land, the forces that are applied on the log are muscular force, gravitational force and frictional force. C. A ball was set rolling on a large table. If its dash dash is to be changed, a dash dash will have to be applied on it. Options: force, motion, gravitation. Answer: a ball was set rolling on a large table. If its motion is to be changed, a force will have to be applied on it. D. The force of friction always acts dash dash the motion. Option: along, against. Answer: the force of friction always acts against the motion. Question 2. Match the following. Group A, Group B. Group A: 1. An ox pulling a cart. 2. Lifting a heavy iron object with a crane. 3. Weighing with a spring balance. 4. Applying brakes to a bicycle. 5. Picking up pieces of paper with a plastic scale. Group B: A. Magnetic force, B. Electrostatic force, C. Muscular force, D. Gravitational force, E. Frictional force. Answer: 1. An ox pulling a cart, muscular force. 2. Lifting a heavy iron object with a crane, magnetic force. 3. Weighing with a spring balance, gravitational force. 4. Applying brakes to a bicycle, frictional force. 5. Picking up pieces of paper with a plastic scale, electrostatic force. Question 3. One or more forces are acting in the following examples. Name them. 1. An object falling from a tall building. Answer: gravitational force, frictional force. 2. An aeroplane flying in the sky. Answer: mechanical force, muscular force, frictional force, gravitational force. 3. Squeezing sugarcane juice with a squeezer. Answer: mechanical force, muscular force, frictional force. 4. Winnowing food grain. Answer: muscular force, gravitational force? Question 4. Explain in your own words, giving one example each. 1. Muscular force. The force applied with the help of muscles like arms or legs is called muscular force. The movements of bones and muscles in the body give rise to muscular force. Examples: performing exercise, chewing food, combing hair, etc. 2. Gravitational force. The force applied by the earth to pull objects towards itself is called gravitational force. The gravitational force acting on an object is called the weight of that object. Example: ball thrown in air comes down. 3. Mechanical force. The force applied with the help of machines is called mechanical force. Some machines are used with the help of muscular force, while some machines work on electricity or fuel. These machines are automatic. Examples: washing machine, food processor, water pump. 4. Electrostatic force. The force exerted by electrically charged materials is called electrostatic force. We can produce static electricity on materials like rubber, plastic, and ebonite by means of friction. Example: hair getting attracted to rubber balloon. 5. The force of friction. The force which arises whenever two surfaces rub against each other is called frictional force. Frictional force always acts against the direction of motion. Frictional force is less between two smooth surfaces and more between two rough surfaces. Example: vehicle stops when brakes are applied. 6. Magnetic force. The force applied by a magnet is called magnetic force. Example: when a magnet is brought close to an iron nail, the iron nail sticks to it. Question 5. Why? A. Machines are oiled from time to time. Answer: 1. In a machine, there are many moving parts which rub against each other. 2. This creates frictional force which opposes the motion of the machine parts. 3. If frictional force is more, it will slow down the speed and efficiency of the machine. Therefore, machines are oiled from time to time. B. An object thrown upwards comes down after reaching a point. Answer: 1. When an object is thrown upwards, the Earth's gravitational force acts on the object in the opposite direction. As a result, the speed of that object goes on decreasing till it becomes 0. 2. The object then starts falling down as the gravitational force applied by the earth pulls the object towards itself. Hence, an object thrown upwards comes down after reaching a point. C. Powder is sprinkled on a carom board. Answer: 1. While playing carom, the carom board and the coins are the two surfaces which rub against each other. This creates friction which opposes the motion of coins. 2. Hence, powder is sprinkled on the carom board to reduce the friction and smoothen the motion of the coins. D. The ramp at a railway station has a rough surface. Answer 1. A rough surface of the ramp creates the force of friction. 2. Friction reduces the chance of slipping or skidding, thereby avoiding accidents. Hence, the ramp at railway station has a rough surface. Question 6. In what way are we different? A. Muscular force and mechanical force. Answer. Muscular force, mechanical force. 1. The force applied with the help of muscles is called muscular force. 1. The force applied by means of machine to perform a task is called mechanical force. 2. Muscular force is created due to the energy created by the food we eat. 2. Mechanical force is created due to electricity or fuel. Examples: chewing food, swimming, lifting of a book. Examples: washing machine, food processor, water pump. B. The force of friction and gravitational force. Answer. Force of friction, gravitational force. 1. The force which arises whenever two surfaces rub against each other is called force of friction. 1. The force applied by the earth to pull objects towards itself is called gravitational force. 2. It involves direct contact between the two objects. 2. It does not involve direct contact between the two objects. 3. It always opposes the motion. 3. It may or may not oppose the motion. 4. Frictional force can be increased or decreased by changing the nature of surfaces. 4. Gravitational force does not depend on nature of surfaces. Example: rubbing of palms against each other. Example: ball thrown off in air falls back to ground. Question 7. Write answer to the following questions in your own words. A. What are the things that can be done by applying force? Answer. There are many things that can be done by applying a force. Activities such as lifting, pulling, pushing a load, driving vehicle, squeezing or bending require application of force. Thus, force can make an object move as well as change its shape. Also, force can be used to change the direction of an object in motion or to stop it. B. What is meant by weight? Answer. The gravitational force acting on an object is called the weight of that object. Heavier the object, more is the gravitational force acting on it, and hence greater is the weight of that object. C. Which machines run on muscular force? Answer. Muscular force is the force applied with the help of muscles. Machines such as scissors, bullock cart, pulley, hand pump run on muscular force. Question 8. Solve the following crossword puzzle. Down. 1. Dash dash force is to be applied to push a scooter that has failed. 2. Dash dash force can be used to pick up scattered pins. Across. 1. A dash dash pulls an iron nail towards itself. 3. Dash dash force was used when the form was plugged with a tractor. 4. It is due to the force of dash dash that raindrops fall to the ground. स्टूडेंट्स, अभी हम पजल का आंसर लिखते हैं. डाउन. 1. Dash dash force is to be applied to push a scooter that has failed. Answer. Muscular. 2. Dash dash force can be used to pick up scattered pins. Answer. Magnetic. Across. 1. A dash dash pulls an iron nail towards itself. Answer. Magnet. 3. Dash dash force was used when the form was plugged with a tractor. Answer. Mechanical. 4. It is due to the force of dash dash that raindrops fall to the ground. Answer. Gravity. स्टूडेंट्स, आज हमने चैप्टर 10 फोर्स एंड टाइप्स ऑफ फोर्स इस चैप्टर का एक्सरसाइज स्टडी किया. थैंक यू.